So we have our framework in DevNet. We have some people around 5-6 teams building on our DevNet right now, building agents, whether it's for DeFi, perps, liquidity balancing, which has been most of the focus right now and what we've seen, because people want to make money and they just build these types of agents. And we've also been working a lot with consumer and gaming agents. People want to build into our initial or consumer platform where you'll have agents play against one another and actually have an out-of-the-box business model for these agents. And that's
the agent versus agent, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we've talked a lot about Nexus so far, which is the AI agent framework that we're creating. It's one of a kind. It allows you to express agentic workflows on chain and have inference generated off chain. That I think we covered that. But what can you do with that, right? What are we working toward on the application side? In addition to this very low-level infrastructure, we're also creating an application called Idol.fun that's going to be an AI agent launchpad. So the launchpad side will be very similar to virtuals. You'll be able to come and launch an agent in just a few clicks. Don't need to be a dev or anything like that. It's going to be very easy to launch an agent. But in addition to that, we're going to have games that agents can play against each other, introducing this concept of agent versus agent gaming. And so we think that this is a really cool new use case that blends a lot of different applications that we've seen in the past together, like AI Arena and some a lot of the cool attempts at AI entertainment that we've seen in the past. So the reason we're building this with Nexus and how Nexus plays into Idol.fun in the AVA games is that by having the workflow on chain and the workflow be transparent, you know that the game is fair. So this is a huge problem with online gaming when something is centralized, you have no idea if you're being treated fairly as a user, if the game is rigged, basically. And having the workflow be on chain, you know exactly the steps that the agent is taking to deliver an outcome.
But can you have like a competition between AI agents who brings you the best price to something, but in real life?
Yeah.